Yari aliria gwikinyitia kigomano-ini kia honge cia urumwe wa mabũrũri munini wa mutongoria wa bũrũri Rigathi Gachagua niaugite ni makunyitanira hamwe niguo gutigirira ni marutithania wira undu uria ukurehe uthii wa na mbere guku bũrũri-ini.
Kenya where persistent inequalities and poverty are addressed by lifting those at the bottom of the espoused in our philosophy of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda better.
Niongereire na kuga ati ni makunyitanira na njira nene niguo gutigirira uthii wa na mbere uria merire a Kenya kuma mwaka wa 2022 nginya mwaka wa 2026 ni wakinyanira mubango-ini wa bottom-up economic transformation.
The UN Kenya's focus on public-private partnerships, the push for job creation, support for the youth, and the green transition of Kenya's economic development. The government is driving the agenda of our entities to deliver a whole government approach for the good of our people.
Na niguo gutigirira Mukenya wa gikiro gia thi ni arumbuiyo na njira nene, Gachagua nionanirie uria unyitaniri ucio ugukorwo uri kiguni kinene kuri a Kenya kuona ni muthingi hari uthii wa na mbere.
I commend the UN Kenya for the strategic set of joint programs being developed by line ministries and UN entities together with a wide range of stakeholders. These UN-supported joint programs cover priorities that go hand in glove with the bottom-up economic transformation agenda.
Ohoni acokirie ngatho honge ici cia urumwe wa mabũrũri hari kunyitanira na thirikari ya bũrũri wa Kenya niguo kuhurana na ukia uria waumanire na mbura nene ya El Nino iria yaurire kuma mwaka wa 2023 undu uria atugiritie na njira nene kuona ni mateithiririe andu aria magumirwo ni muiyuro wa mai hari kumahe irio.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the long-term impact of COVID-19 on the economy and the devastating drought occasioned by the 5 consecutive failed rainy seasons, followed by the devastating El Nino flooding in 2023 into 2024, reinforce the long-standing urgency for bolstering food security, humanitarian response, and resilience.
Mwena-ini wake Dagitari Stephen Jackson uria ni mutabariri mihango-ini ya honge ici cia gibũrũri niaugite mubango uyu ni guteithiriria hanene hari uthii wa na mbere makiria sekta-ini ya urimi, ugima wa mwiri, sekta-ini ya biashara hamwe na sekta-ini ya ukui.
The framework, this cooperation framework currently runs for the 4 years leading to 2026, and our ambition is to mobilize $2.2 billion, or about 285 billion Kenyan shillings, for its implementation. I have to caution, we haven't mobilized all of it, but we've mobilized quite a bit.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, Getwo King'ori, Wagatudu.